Let's dive right into how raw cotton metrics literally dictate your real-world yarn quality. We're going from raw fiber basics right down to mill floor machine efficiency. Let's get into it. It all starts with staple length. Simply put, longer fibers give us much stronger, luxurious yarn. Next up, Micronaire. This checks air permeability to see if your fibers are too fine or coarse. The absolute sweet spot? A medium micronaire between 3.5 and 4.9 guarantees optimal spinning performance.
Why does moisture matter? If it's too dry, fibers just snap. This range ensures flawless machine precision.
High-volume instruments give us crucial baseline standards to accurately measure overall strength and fiber uniformity. Think of the Euster test report as the ultimate, definitive report card for your yarn's quality. 0% tracks unevenness. For high-quality apparel, you absolutely need this irregularity measurement, well below 5%. TV% measures thickness variation. Lower variation means way fewer breakages and a vastly superior final garment. Every single tiny knot matters. The imperfection index counts these thick and thin spots per kilometer. Standards totally shift based on application. Fine apparel needs under 5 imperfections, while industrial yarn allows more. Now for strength. CSP calculates count strength product. Anything scoring over 2200, you've got strong yarn. You can actually boost your CSP by optimizing your blending and improving your carding efficiency. High tensile strength directly stops yarn from snapping on the loom during high-speed, real-world production. Twists per inch, or TPI, dictates stability. Fine yarns actually require up to 40 twists for durability. Twist multiplier measures twist hardness. A TM of 3.5 to 5.5 is completely standard for medium twist yarn.
See the connection here? Adjusting your twist multiplier mathematically and directly alters your twists per inch.
It's a trade-off, guys. Twisting finer yarn often ends up lowering your overall CSP. Down on the mill floor, this specific ring frame formula is your exact blueprint for daily production. Finally, tracking your actual machine efficiency against stoppage time is literally how you maximize daily yield. You've got the formulas, you've got the standards, so how will you optimize your next spin?